And here we have it, guys, the finished product. So if you watch the time-lapse video of the installation, it was kind of the prep and installation at once. It was kind of a lengthy time-lapse there because there was a lot involved in this stage, but if you watched it, you'll have seen the process that it went about prepping and installing these pieces right here. Let me just do a little rundown here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strips, and then this tiny little scrap piece that I used at the end right there. I actually was able to use the offcut of this section over here as well. Okay? So it doesn't take too much of this to get this done. I rushed mine on camera, guys, just to show you how it was done. So my edges on these sides do need a little bit of a clean up with some sandpaper to get them looking really nice, okay? But for the most part, it turned out pretty nice, if I do say so myself, guys. Little tip before we wrap this up: don't be scared of making these slightly long, slightly overhanging than they have to be, okay? It's always better to have it slightly longer than slightly shorter. If it's slightly longer, you can always sand it down to make it flush with your rim joist. If it's slightly shorter, then you can't really make that back up again. Okay, so always leave your pencil line showing. So on all these cuts, leave your pencil line showing. That way you can sand back down to the line afterwards. Okay? Little bit of a clean up, bit of a sand down, and this will look ready for your next module. It's kind of sad, guys, that's the end of the floor framing system, but that is our complete first floor, all finished. Kind of feels good. It kind of feels bad as well, hiding all our work, so I'm going to post a bonus material just to give you a little bit of inspiration on another way that you can go about doing this. Okay, so pay attention to that if you're interested, but this is the end of the floor system module. Our next module is going to be wall framing. Okay, we're going to start framing up the perimeter walls of our model house project. Okay, take care, guys. I'll see you soon.